Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are joining me for the first time, welcome, and for those who are returning, hey. It's been a minute. Yeah, I know it's been a minute, but I kind of had to take some time out to take care of real life. I think I've mentioned it before here. I do have a full-time job that I do along with a few other things, so I think there's going to be busy periods where I struggle with things, and I also have to practice self-care. So we do have to take care of ourselves, and I'm not one of those people who will just churn out content that you guys might not like, or content that I'm not feeling. So it is what it is, but glad to be back. I've missed sitting down in front of a camera and chatting. I'm not going to dilly-dally too much. I just wanted to kind of catch up a little bit with you guys. Today I have got an unboxing. Doop. And I'll tell you, I treated myself to something nice this year for my birthday, and I know I did like a luxury wish list earlier in this year. This item is actually not on that wish list. It's also kind of been on my radar for a long time, but I think what pushed me over was the color. I like colors. I'll be very honest, I'm drawn to like certain colors, and I think this item in this color was just like, pooh, you have to get me. So I waited and waited. I shared it with my good friend saying, what do you think? He kind of approved almost immediately. He goes, this is so you, this is so your color. You know, it's such a good buy, and I am so excited. I actually can't wait to start wearing this. I'm one of those people, I actually wear my stuff. So yes, this is actually my first Gucci bag. I've actually done the unboxing for my Instagram reels. So yes, by the way, if you want to check me out on Instagram, please do. I kind of do like a first-hand experience over there. I like the Gucci packaging. I mean, this box makes it look and feel so luxury, and it comes in this very nice dust bag. Again, feels very luxury, and a pick at the color, and I'm gonna pull it out. Jackie! Yes, Jackie. Look at this beautiful baby. So it's the Jackie bag in a small. Like I said, it was the color that got me. It opens up like this. So there's like a little button. Let me come closer so you can see that button, or that push thing. Push it down and it kind of just opens, and that's what the inside looks like. So it's quite spacious. I can fit a lot of stuff in there. It comes with an extra handle, so I can extend this handle, which I will show you as well, because that's probably how I will carry the bag, as a crossbody bag. And in there, so you can see all the compartments. There's a little zip area. So there's a zip area. In the zip area comes with all the certification and everything else, which is cute. And on the other side of the bag as well is a space for like your mobile phone or whatever it is that you want to pop in there, like an extra compartment. So it's a very handy bag. I bought this because I want like a nice functional bag that I can use all the time. So guys, like I said, I would most likely carry the bag as a crossbody bag. I like this length on me. It comes up to right up to my hip, and also if I still want to have it longer, it's got extra buckle holes I can use, but I probably wouldn't change it much. But yeah, this length is perfect. The bag actually feels so safe and secure, and I think for me, one of the reasons why I wanted to see the bag in person, so why I actually went to the shop to buy it, was because I wanted to be 100% sure that it fits the bill, because it's going to be like an everyday bag for me. So I wanted to make sure that everything that I wanted in a bag would literally be satisfied. And the pop thing as well is easy to pop, pops in easy. I can dip my hand in a bag easily, like it feels roomy enough. And yeah, it's just like such a perfect everyday bag, with the t-shirts, white tee and blue jeans. Again, the color kind of dresses it up, so the color is such a plus for me as well, and I will get the most wear out of this bag. One of the things I really wanted, and I had a nosy around like just to see what the small was like in comparison to like a mini and a large, but I knew I didn't want a large because the large would be too I don't know, bulky for me. So I knew the small was like my go-to, but I kind of wanted to see how it was going to come up on my body and things like that, and I couldn't really find enough reviews on this bag. But so I really do hope this is useful for anybody who's kind of like eyeing up the Jackie and wants to buy it. I know the picture is on the website and all that, but then again, you kind of need to see it on other people, like everyday people, to kind of see what it's like. So everything about this bag I love: the color, the size, the functionality, and the fact that it would go with pretty much everything that I already own in my wardrobe. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I hope to see you guys again in my next video. So please stay safe and see you soon. Bye.